Where does the name for the Afon Ystwyth come from? So today I'm in Ceredigion, just south of Afon Ystwyth, and this river behind me is called the Afon Ystwyth. Let's get into the name. Afon means a river, and Ystwyth means winding or curved. The river name is extremely old, recorded as early as the Roman period by Ptolemy as Stuchia, and later in Latin as Iuctis, both borrowings from Brythonic, the ancestor language to Welsh, according to the Dictionary of Place Names of Wales. The original root meant bent or curved, but it's come to mean supple or flexible in modern Welsh. The Afon Ystwyth starts as a number of streams on the west slope of Tirlun, before coming to the sea in Aberystwyth Harbour. Though its banks are not densely populated now, it used to be a lot denser due to the mining of lead, silver and zinc, which were mined here since Roman times. These metals still seep into the river from the old mines, but due to wetlands created by the mines by Natural Resources Wales, which filter the metals, the river's health is now significantly improved compared to the peak of mining pollution, and has a lot of plant and wildlife. So the name literally means the winding river. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to help support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.